Get a little dose of optimism from Alan Nuckman, Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. What's up, Alan?
Oh, I've got a lot to say. What I'm thinking is I need a meeting over there with you guys.
The
power of positivity.
We got a slow Monday. I need you.
The power of positivity is completely missing over there with you guys. So we're about ready to test the top. We're ready to test the top in stocks, and you guys haven't even mentioned that. We've rallied 10% each of the last two earnings seasons. Revenue growth is up a huge amount, even though EPS has slowed, but we overcame those low expectations. We've been trading above 4,000 for more than 6 weeks. Now we're trading between 4,100 and 4,200 for more than a month now. If you look and see what happened when we traded sideways in December, guess what? We broke out to the upside and rallied 10%. Everything is up in 2023 except the stuff we want to be down. The VIX, inflation, unemployment. I mean, what else? The dollar? You know, we've got what we want. Let's see what's next.
We heard this morning from Mike Purvis, we should be keeping an eye on the dollar for a little warmth. You know, this sideways treading of water, to your point, we are sticky above 4,000 in the S&P, but it's like the longer we go, the firmer that ceiling gets. Are you worried that it gets, permanently built in like a Home Depot reconstruction? You know, we just put a roof in at 42 and never get through it?
Well, what I'm worried about is that your fear of heights, that you think just because something is higher that it has to go down. There's a word for that, and we can talk about that later on. But I look at this as a positive. The market is holding its gains.
You're talking to a high-rise denizen here, Alan.
Right, exactly.
Can't mention the floor,
right,
but
so
it's up there.
We can go deep. We can go deep into this, but we also have Walmart. We have Walmart coming back this week. You talked about Home Depot as kind of a barometer. Walmart's expecting a 4% measured move, but Walmart's fully recovered all of those losses when we were pricing in recession slowdown. So look at that. Technically Target, a V recovery in Walmart, targets 200, which is another 30% up above. Now that's happened every time in history with the overall market that it's recovered its losses and it's moved the measured move of the distance of the sell-off on those old highs.
Okay, so I always end up with this same question though, Alan, is you're looking at a trade in Guardant Health. I mean, what the heck is that? If you're King Optimist, how come you're not bringing us 4,200 strike S&Ps?
This is a much better risk-reward play. Every week I come to you with something you don't believe in. We had Intel. We had something like...
Well, that's not true.
Newmont
I'm
Mining,
always a believer
GDX.
in the Alan Nuckman trade. That's why we got you back.
All right, and then, but it's the strategy as much as the stocks, and it's about the payoff. So it's about probability and payoff. So what I'm looking for here, it's harder to find, obviously, stocks that are still look bad enough to buy. What I use is, I use bullish divergence. We talk about this every week. When a stock makes new lows but not new highs, implied volatility, that's a sign that the short sellers are running out of strength, and at some point they're going to take profits. Profit taking in a small stock, a 5% move, a 10% move in the stock, produces a 50% or 100% gain in these in-the-money options. So that's the play today, as it is each and every week, is looking for stocks that are ready to pop. And also, I use an indicator that shows money flow, which is going to give me some indication that somebody has some strong opinions in that stock, and they're loading up, and I see some bullish leveraged buying in this stock. RGH has hit my radar.
All right. Guy giving me hell for being afraid of heights, and you're buying at the lows of the last year. That's a terrestrial trade if I've ever seen one. Year.
All right, look at this chart. This chart looks fine if you look at it for this year. It's trading between 20 and 30 for the last 6 months. Look out, the breakout of that target's 40. There's a big gap all the way up above at 40. Like I said, it's got the bullish divergence. Also, if you pull back and look at 2021, this was a $180 stock. So it's 85% off the highs. So look at that risk reward. We're in a sector, obviously, that has a lot of action. The IBB is up 15% for the year over the last year in trade, whereas this individual stock is down 35%. So it's got some catching up to do. Like I said, there's a gap up above. The way to play here is I'm buying a 20 call. Again, the low is 20. I'm buying an October call, has 5 months of time. It's trading for about, what, 875 or so right now at 80 delta. Now, if we just get back and fill in that gap at 40, this option gains more than 100%.
All right. Guardant Health, and a very interesting fundamental business, too. I know you're a technical guy, you're looking at it, but oncology products and prevention, cancer prevention. So I wanted to look for here for a
People are always
breakout.
looking to buy in that sector.
There we go.
Yeah.
All right. We appreciate you, Alan Nuckman, always bringing us some good energy on a
Positivity.
Monday, sir. The power of
Optimism
positive
wins.
thinking. Alan Nuckman. All right. Thanks for the trade, sir. He's the chief market strategist at bullseyeoption.com. All right. Coming back, let's talk about ESG investing and the trade-off between crude oil's big successful 2022 and some major slippage this year. Is that paving the road for a comeback in the sustainable energy category? We'll be right back.
Whether you're an experienced investor or just getting started, TD Ameritrade offers a webcast that's right for you. Are you an active trader? Our active trading webcast series is designed to help you develop a